Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to preview a file in Google Drive. So the preview pane in Google Drive, it lets you have a quick view on the file that you are going to open so that you don't have to open it on a new tab or a new window. So to learn about the preview more, you can come back here later. So these are the steps we are going to follow for this video. So now let's go to the implementation. So now I am inside my Google Drive. So let's say I want to preview this file. So I will have to right click on it, left click on preview. Now I can have a quick view on this file. So this is how you can preview a file in Google Drive. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to preview a file in Google Drive. Thank you for watching.